Next story we've been following since his arrest by ICE agents on March 8th. We have an update. An immigration judge is ordering the deportation of former Columbia graduate student Mahmoud Khalil.
All right, lawyers for the pro-Palestinian protesters say they will appeal this decision, but it seems like a real possibility. Good day's Hayley Fixler. She's here now with all these details. Hayley, what's going on?
Good morning, Dan. Tijani. Well, these court documents were just filed yesterday. The federal immigration judge says that Khalil hid information on his U.S. green card application, and she's ordering him to be sent back to Algeria or Syria. So let's break this all down. The Louisiana judge says that Khalil did not disclose his internship with the United Nations Relief and Works Agency. Now, the U.S. had suspended funding to that organization because of allegations that staff were involved with Hamas in the October 7th terrorist attacks in Israel. The judge also says Khalil failed to mention his relationship with an anti-Israel campus group called the Columbia University Apartheid Divest. Now, the judge wrote, quote, "The court finds the respondent's lack of candor and purposeful failure to disclose complete information to be significant negative factors," adding, quote, "The court finds that the respondent willfully misrepresented material facts for the sole purpose of circumventing the immigration process and reducing the likelihood his application would be denied." Now, again, this all started on March 8th when ICE arrested the 30-year-old at his Columbia University apartment. The Palestinian, who was born in Syria, was arrested after leading the pro-Palestinian protests on campus. Federal officials have accused him of siding with terrorists and have called him a national security threat. And there has been a lot of back and forth since then. In June, a Biden-appointed judge blocked Khalil's initial deportation orders and ordered for his release from a detention center in Louisiana. Of course, this new order now could change things. Khalil has also sued the Trump administration and has said officials are targeting him. He's also called them fascists. In a statement regarding this new ruling, Khalil says, quote, "It is no surprise that the Trump administration continues to retaliate against me for my exercise of free speech. Their latest attempt through a kangaroo immigration court exposes their true colors once again." Now, Khalil's lawyers have until mid-October to file their appeal. They say they do plan to do so, and they've framed this case as a broader civil rights battle. Dan, Tishani.
More to come for sure. Hayley, thank you for that report.